directed by court to reinstate Dr. Ntoita and the rest. She refused, Mr. Speaker, and this contravenes the law. And this is the ground that we are studying on, that the governor of Meru should be impeached for contravening or for breaking the law, for not obeying the court. Mr. Speaker, on the contempt of the assembly, we have heard the governor refusing to honor the invitation, the official summoned by the assembly. And Mr. Speaker, the letter by the chief of staff explaining how the governor cannot come to the assembly and answer the summon. Mr. Speaker, these are against the law, this ignorance of the law, because the governor of Meru is not the head of state. She is supposed to come. Actually, she was supposed to come and answer or respond on the allegations that the deputy governor came and gave, because the deputy governor came here and explained on those mistreatment that he has been undergoing in that county government. So the governor was supposed to come and maybe respond on them and say that she did whatever maybe the deputy governor was saying wasn't true, but there is a reason why we are here, so that we execute our mandate as a county assembly, because she never responded. On the same, the contempt of the assembly, Mr. Speaker, we have requested so many statements from this house. Personally, I requested a statement on Impress account, which never came. We pushed, it never came. And even up to date, it has not come to this house, Mr. Speaker. So this contempt of the assembly, and we can't run this county government like this. When something is requested from the executive, it can't come to the assembly. And it is our mandate, Mr. Speaker, that we oversight and check the government. And now, because we cannot be able to check the government, this is where we are saying that Governor Kawira has to vacate the office, so that we may be able to execute the mandate given by our people, so that we may be able to check the government. Because, Mr. Speaker, we cannot have somebody who is the governor, who is the deputy governor, who is the chief officer, who is the CEC, who is even the MCA. She has taken even the responsibility of the MCAs, Mr. Speaker. She is everything in this county. And so we cannot run the county with the knowledge of one person. And even if we follow the knowledge of this person, the county of Meru is perishing, and the county of Meru is drowning, Mr. Speaker. So this is why she has to vacate the office, so that somebody else who is listening, somebody else who is with the sober mind may take that office, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, as I end and second the motion by the majority leader, I want to say this. I want to say this, Mr. Speaker. With the MCAs, we have also undergone mistreatment from this governor, Governor Kawira Mwangaza. This mistreatment, Mr. Speaker, we have had meetings to discuss development, but the MCAs are denying, they're excluded from those meetings simply because they are not praising the governor. And the mandate of this house is not to praise the governor. The mandate of this house is to do the three things by the Constitution: legislation, oversight, and representation, Mr. Speaker. But you find, because you are not praising the governor, you go for a meeting, you are excluded. Some of us, personally, I'm a victim. There was a development meeting that was supposed to happen with the elected leaders and the governor. And myself included, the deputy speaker, and some other 4 members, we got excluded from the meeting, Mr. Speaker. And this is the leadership you are saying that we must end today in Meru. That's why we are here, Mr. Speaker. Because if we don't attend those meetings, who is there on behalf of my people, the people of Akede-Ward? Who is there on behalf of the people of Jiawand, where the deputy speaker represents, Mr. Speaker? This is the leadership that we are heading today, so that Meru may see light, so that everybody else may feel part and parcel to give their views. Rumors are there, Mr. Speaker, but we are not here to give rumors. That even in those cabinet meetings, it is only the governor who gives her views, not anybody else, not even Waziri. It is only the governor who comes and she gives her views and the meeting ends, Mr. Speaker. So, Mr. Speaker, today we are here to execute our mandate. We are here to tell Kenyans, we are here to tell even our people of Meru what has been happening. Some of Merians know, some of even the people from across the country know about the Meru County. And this we have gone viral as Meru County. And so today, Mr. Speaker, it is my prayer and the prayer of this House that the governor of Meru, Kawira Mwangaza, stands impeached today, Mr. Speaker. And now, Mr. Speaker, with those few or many remarks, I rise to second the motion by the leader of majority, Honorable Evans Mawira Karia, to impeach the governor of Meru, Her Excellency Honorable Kawira Mwangaza. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. The Honorable Member for Akivi, Honorable Mutembei, Leader of Minority, and Honorable Members at the juncture. The motion has having been moved and seconded. I now propose the question pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order number 54(1), which is Article 10 and 73 of the Constitution, Section 3 and 16 of the Leadership Integrity Act 2012, the Leadership Integrity Act, and the Sections 9, 10, and 12 of the Public Office Ethics Act 2003. The Public Office Ethics Act establish, among others, the rule of law, democracy, human dignity, courtesy, respect, inclusiveness,